Hello everyone. So Figma just dropped a simple yet super useful feature, lock aspect ratio. And trust me, this is one of those updates that makes life easier for designers. Let me show you how it works. This feature is applicable for image, frame, button, anything. If you want to make sure that you maintain its aspect ratio while resizing the card, then aspect ratio is very helpful. Here we have an auto layout card with an image. Now just select the element or layer on which you want to apply aspect ratio, and then right next to your side, as you can see this icon here. Previously it was a chain icon, now it has been changed, and obviously functions are also enhanced. Click on it. It is already selected, so first I will remove it, and I will show you here increasing the card width. You can see it is not maintaining its aspect ratio. I'm talking about the image. So let's select the image and click on this icon which is represent to aspect ratio. Now again select the card and resize. You can see image is maintaining its aspect ratio. You can increase by any level here. Yes, you can see it's maintaining the aspect ratio very nicely. If you unlock this and again, if you unlock this and again resize the frame and resize the card, you can see this is not maintaining the aspect ratio. So I will select this. Okay. Before this update of Figma, we were doing this same thing while holding the shift key. Let me show you here. This is the image. It is selected for locked aspect ratio. I will unselect this. And now if you want to resize it, it is not maintaining aspect ratio. Previously we were doing this with the holding shift key. Hold shift key and now resize it. You can see it is maintaining aspect ratio, but at that time we had to hold the shift key, but now we can do this with this little icon and no need to hold the shift key. Also we can apply this with the complex work, like if you want to create something complex using many frames and you want to make sure that aspect ratio is going to maintain even if you are not holding shift key on your keyboard, then you can definitely use this option. Let me show you with this website design. So in this let me check this image. It is not selected for the aspect ratio, so first of all I'm going to um, resize the frame and show you how it works. Just focus on the image, and now I'm going to select this for aspect ratio. So I'm locking aspect ratio for the image, and now I will resize the frame. You can see the difference. So this is very helpful feature. We can use this for our complex works. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.